Hey gang, Jerry here, and today we're going to do another kind of a quick video, maybe not so quick video, but we're going to do a video today on how I get Wi-Fi wirelessly out to my barn. Now you can see my barn back in the background there. It's about 400 feet away, and we're going to get Wi-Fi out there using Starlink. So Starlink is our internet provider because we kind of live out here in the country. It is the only thing that we can get, and we've had it for about 6 months now. Just got it just before winter time last year, and so far I've been liking it. I've been liking the Starlink. It's been having good connectivity, really no issues. It's pretty fast, you know, considering, but yeah, it's pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get Wi-Fi using Starlink wirelessly to an outbuilding using a point-to-point bridge. So let me walk you through the process of how I set mine up, and we'll go from there. So here's my Starlink Satellite. Now please don't laugh. Again, like I said, I set this up in the winter time. I still have to do my final positioning of the satellite dish. It's actually going to go on the house right here. So I have a pole ordered for it, but I did want to put it here to see where it connected its satellites, so I can mount it in a position on the house that it would still get a clear line of sight. So there's our Starlink, and the cable runs over here and then goes into the house right here. And what I'm going to do now is I'll take you inside and I'll show you the connections on the inside of the house. Okay, we're inside where I actually have my Starlink cable coming into the house. It comes into the house right down there. And Starlink comes with the dish, the cable, and the router. And that's basically all it comes with. Now, Starlink itself, when you order it, it does not, the router, the Wi-Fi router, does not have any Ethernet outlets. So, in order to do a point-to-point bridge, you have to have an Ethernet cable going to your bridge. And the way you do that is Starlink does offer separately a cable that you can put in line for the cable going to the router that will have an Ethernet outlet. Now, the bridge to bridge that I'm using is called a UeeVii, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. And it comes with a receiver, a transmitter, 2 Ethernet cables, and 2 power to Ethernet adapters. So going back to my system, what I have the cable coming in out from the satellite. Here, this is my adapter that has the Ethernet outlet. You can see the yellow Ethernet cable. That's something you have to buy separately that does not come with your Starlink. So then the satellite dish goes to the Starlink Wi-Fi, and you have house Wi-Fi. Now the yellow cable, the yellow Ethernet cable, will go to here, what is called a Ethernet power to Ethernet adapter. So the way your receiver and transmitter, your UeeVii receiver and transmitter gets power is over the Ethernet cable, and it will come with 2 of these adapters. So the yellow wire is going to the power to Ethernet adapter, and then you can see I have a black wire coming out. There's a black Ethernet cable coming out, and that's going back outside to our transmitter. And let's go there now. Okay, so here's my UeeVii transmitter. So this is the device that is sending a signal wirelessly out to my barn, which is approximately 400 feet away. Now, taking the bottom cover off, so you can kind of see the connections here. So you can see I have the Ethernet cable running into the transmitter. You can see here that it's on channel 3. Now I believe there's 20 different channels you can select, but you have to make sure that both the transmitter and the receiver are on channel 3. And the small little button that you can see underneath the receiver allows you to click one for transmitter and one for receiver. So it's a pretty simple setup as far as setting up the transmitter and the receiver. Now, they don't come with this pole, so I had to buy those mounts separately. And I'll leave links in the description down below on everything that I'm going over here as far as my setup to make this point-to-point wireless bridge. On the side here, you can see there's some LEDs, and the LEDs kind of give you the signal strength. And I have basically 4 green bars on the LEDs, means I have a very, very strong signal. So that pretty much covers the setup at the house. To recap, I have my cable coming in from the Starlink Satellite into the house with a inline adapter for an Ethernet outlet. The Ethernet cable goes to a power to Ethernet adapter. Then there's an Ethernet cable coming out to that to my transmitter, and the transmitter is now transmitting a signal to the receiver. Now we'll go down to the barn and I'll show you my setup at the barn. Okay, we're down here at the barn, and as you can see, here's my UeeVii receiver mounted to the barn. And one of the reasons why I wanted to get Wi-Fi down here, as you can see, right below the receiver is a Ring camera that I use for security, because we're out, it's out here in the middle of nowhere. Don't want anybody, kind of going in there. That's not supposed to be. The receiver, like I mentioned, is set on channel 3, and the switch is selected to receiver, and we have our Ethernet cable running out of it inside the barn. And let me take you inside. So here we are inside. Here's our cables coming through the wall that you saw outside. It goes to our power to Ethernet adapter, which is plugged into that outlet right there. And that white Ethernet cable goes to our Wi-Fi router. Now, it's a TP-Link Wi-Fi router. And again, links in the descriptions down below if you're interested in picking this particular one up. I have no affiliation with them, so it's just one that I thought would do a good job, and it does a good job, so I'm very pleased with it. And then you just set up the Wi-Fi like you normally would any Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi, and you have internet remotely. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So in my barn here, I can now stream music. Again, I have a couple of different Ring cameras set up out here, just for a little added security, peace of mind, receive text messages and all that. So that is my setup to get a point-to-point wireless bridge to an outbuilding. So hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, give it a massive thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And remember, gang, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.